Hey guys, long time no see. Probably because I can't make videos. I haven't been able to make videos for the last couple months because my freaking computer crashed or it's just busted. I can't. My computer's not working. So sorry about not being able to post the videos. It's just my laptop's been going freaking crazy. And I haven't been done any reviews lately and nothing, no nerd news for like the whole summer. It's like it's almost the end of the year and I gotta get some videos out there. And so hopefully I'm recording this from my phone. Hopefully it uploads right. It might be crappy quality, but hey, as long as you guys get your videos, I'm happy. Right now I'm thinking of doing like a vlog, and this is the first vlog. I probably won't be able to do a daily vlog like Toby Turner does, probably because I'm not that funny and I'm not that interesting of a person. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing a vlog. Yeah, and this is the first episode of a vlog. So yay, I have a vlog now. Hopefully it uploads, or else I'm screwed. Okay, so I haven't been able to do videos lately because my freaking computer crashed. And I've been really busy lately, like, so a whole bunch of stuff going on. I'm just gonna lay down because I'm tired. Okay, that was a loud, manly grunt. Okay, so, yeah, I haven't been able to make any videos lately, but I did do a movie review last weekend with my friend who has his own YouTube channel, Air5Man. We did our review on the movie 30 Minutes or Less, so go check that out. It's on his channel, Air5Man. Check it out, it's pretty funny. Check out that review, and hopefully I'll be able to do some more reviews from my phone, or if I get a new computer, where am I gonna get the money? I don't know. Okay, so just letting you guys know, like, holy crap. This is how old school I am. Game Boy Advanced for the win. Screw Nintendo DS. I'm sticking to my Game Boy. I had this since I was 6. I'm not letting go. That's how nerdy I am. Yes. Oh well, okay, enough of me interrupting. So yeah, first episode of the vlog. Thanks for watching this. Like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be doing more vlogs, more reviews, more collaborations with some of my other friends on YouTube. And I'm sorry again. Sorry guys. Alright, see ya later. Subscribe!